What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're new here, my name is Brandon, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Nintendo Switch Sports Pre-Order Edition. Now, before we get into it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I just got out of work and I had this thing pre-ordered. I put my $5 down maybe about a week ago, and just got out of work, super excited. I raced over there and I picked this thing up, and man, am I excited. So if you guys already don't know, this pre-order comes with a leg strap which you can play certain sports with. So that's why I went ahead and picked this one up. Okay, so the box, it looks like this in the front. Nintendo Switch Sports, and it shows you all 6 of the icons, all 6 of the sports that you can play on here as of right now. I do know that they are going to be coming out with other sports down the line. I don't know if it's going to be a DLC or just a free update, but we are hoping to see maybe boxing, or there's definitely going to be golf. I know they said there's going to be golf, so I'm definitely looking forward to that in the future. But this is what the sides look like here. See some of the sports here. Same on this side. On the back I kind of tore up a little bit, but that's what it looks like. There shows you all 6 of the different sports. It tells you get in the game. It says volleyball, badminton, bowling, soccer, 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, which is the sword fighting, and then tennis. So I'm assuming that the leg strap is probably going to be for the soccer. It says 1 to 4 players. It says you can play online. Yeah, that's about it for the back. Back it says mild. It's rated E. Mild violence. That's about it. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, inside the box you get the game, and then you get your leg strap. Now take a look at this leg strap. Pretty nice, good quality. Okay, put your Joy-Con right in that little mesh spot, little mesh pocket right here, and then you strap this around your leg just like that. Okay, it's got the Switch logo on the back there, very legit, branded and everything. Good product, good quality product. Now let's open up this game real quick. Just like that. Move that to the side. So what it looks like from the front, same as the front box. And then on the back, you got this artwork here. It's not like a normal Switch game would be. It's a little bit different. Doesn't show like the front box here does. Normally that's what you see on the back of the Switch games. Okay, but this is what we got. You got a nice little artwork in the back there. Okay, so if you open her up, what do we see? I noticed that some of the Switch games are actually stopping with the artwork on the inside, which kind of sucks, because that's kind of the fun, one of the fun parts of opening up a physical copy. So you got the whole town or city of where all these sports are kind of taking place, and then you also have just a bunch of instructions, it looks like, and it just tells you pretty much what it says on the back. So there's different features, blah 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 blah. Nintendo Switch Online included, or not included. Nintendo Switch Online needed to play some of the online features, which most people already know that. And there's your game cartridge right there. I love physical copies more than anything. Digital copies I try not to get. I like the physical version for my at-home collection, but also because it saves you a lot of space on your device if you have the actual cartridge itself. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are thinking about picking this game up for yourself, or if you already have it, how do you like it? If you are interested in picking this product up for yourself, I will leave a link down below so you can pick it up from Amazon. That's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.